My name is GREESHMA Mohanji. I am a second year MSc Data Science student at Department of Future Studies, University of Kerala. I am going to demonstrate an AI experiment called Teachable Machine. Teachable Machine is all about to train the computer to identify images or audio. Teachable Machine train a computer to recognize your images, sound and poses, then export your model for your site, apps and more. It also recognizes whether we are standing or sitting down. Now I am going to demonstrate Teachable Machine. I am going to launch the experiment. In Teachable Machine there are image project, audio project and pose project. Today I am going to do image project. Here I have taken two categories of sample. One is image of people with mask and the another one is image of people with no mask. I am going to give the name also. Now I am going to upload the images of people with mask. Now I am going to upload images of people with no mask. After uploading the sample, I am going to train model. Now I am going to test by giving an image. I am giving an image of a person with no mask. Let's see. Okay, it is identified as the person with no mask. Now we can give a person with mask. It is identified with person with mask. Like this we can give another examples also. Now I am going to give another samples. Images of cycle. Another category is pictures of bike. After uploading images, I am going to train my model based on the examples I provided. Now I am going to test. I'm going to give an image of cycle. Okay, it is recognized as cycle. Now we can give image of bike also. Here it is. We can export our model for our site and apps also. This is all about the Teachable Machine. Thank you.